Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to chat or message yourself on WhatsApp. So this is my WhatsApp. Firstly, if your phone number is not saved on your phone, you won't be able to chat yourself on WhatsApp. You have to go over to your phone setting to save your number. So guys, before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's get started. So what I'm doing here now is for me to be able to save my phone number to my phone, for me to to chat, for me to be able to chat myself on WhatsApp. So this is my phone number here, and I want to save it to I want to add it as a new contact, and I'm looking for an emoji. Okay, this so when you are done with it, you have to do done, and you see I'm able to add my number to my contact list. When you are done with that, you're going over to the search button for you to search your name, what you use to save your name. And we can use myself, but me I use your phone number. You can save with anything you want, but I saved mine with me. So I'm going to back to the search side again for me to search me, and you're going to see it there. You're going to say in bracket that is you, so you have to click it. In this side you can be able to store, like keep some messages there in case you are forgetful. You can be able to chat yourself for you to feel okay. So let me just chat hi Tina, and it's marked as good, that is the message have been sent. Yes, and it's showing green. You can chat yourself, you can copy and paste some things there, just like note for you, so you can save some text here too. And this is the end of this video, so let me just do sleep early. So guys, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Love you.